Most welcome to MATLAB LaTeX software channel, and today we will discuss about how to make a lead pencil like a color in LaTeX software by using coding. Now we will move to its coding and discuss these codings. I want to its zoom increase. That's way. Here is a document class in which I have used TikZ border is 1 inch A4 size paper and 12 point is typeface size, and here is a standalone. Also I use its geometry, set its geometry is and also using here is a package in which tickets infotonic babel ams math graphics hyper reference math tools ams theorem and name reference theorem tools and xcolor and empty page style is it's empty. Now we will move its coding and discuss these codings. Here is a begin tickets picture in which its rotation is 90 degree. First of all, we will use backslash fill of black, color is black and 50, and its range is 0, 4 to 0 0.42, 4, 0 0.40, 0 0.3, minus 0.15, and 0.2, 0, 0.1 and minus 0.14, double dash 0, 0 double s is cycle. And next is fill of green 0, 3.5, 0 0.2, 3.45, 47, 4, 0 0.4, 3.45, 0 0.4, 4 arc is and halty colon 150 colon 0.23 centimeter. Next one is fill backslash fill black factorial 40 0, 0, 0.2, minus 0.8 node. Its coordinate is pos 0.75 a and 0.4, 0 node. Its coordinate is pos 0.25 and b it's 0.3 minus 0.15, 0.2, 0 and 0.1, 0, minus 0.14 cycle. Now second last is backslash fill of green is double dash 0.2, minus 0.9 and b is cycle. Draw and last one is draw color of green 0.2, 4 double dash 0.2, 0. Now we will run and we will compile these. If you change its color just replace green by are you red if red and now check its color is it will change its color is red. If you change its shape is gray and black change by purple. Friends, thanks for listening me and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Last I will also these are coding for in this task. Friends, thanks for listening me and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks.